Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to put together one of the kits in our shop, and this is the Sitting Snowman. He is so cute. This is going to be a piece that you can personalize and tailor to your own colors, decorate it however you want, but I want you to have fun with it. So we are painting the body white, and then we're going to paint the hat brim, which is what I'm doing here, and then the hat part black, and the feet black, and then we're going to paint the nose orange. Once you have everything together, you can use some hot glue or whatever glue is your favorite and put it all together. I put the feet to the side a little bit and they kind of point out a little bit. So you can do it however you want. You can nestle them close together, whatever works for you. Now we are going to paint the nose a little bit. We're going to add our signature technique around the edges so it looks a little bit more like a carrot. And then we're actually going to do that signature edge around the whole thing in white as well. Right now I am creating a bow and I'm just tearing strips of fabric and we're going to tie that around his neck, and that's going to be an adorable little scarf or tassel. Once you have that where you want it, go ahead and attach your nose, and then I did use buttons for the eyes. You are more than welcome to paint them, whatever works for you, but we like to make things easy here, so we just use some black buttons. Now we're going to dress it up a little. This is where I want you to be creative. Use things that you have around. Take an old piece apart that you may not be using anymore. That's what this was. And I'm just cutting them apart and adhering them to his hat. I had a pine cone, I had some berries, I had some pine. You guys, this is super, super cute. You can make this as fancy or as simple as you want. Here is where we are adding our signature technique, and this is what brings the piece to life. You guys know I absolutely love doing this. I did end up going back in and adding a little bit more to the scarf area because I wanted it to just be a little bit fuller. And check it out, you guys, this is so adorable, so easy to come together, and I cannot wait to see your creations come to life when you get the kit. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure you're following me on theruffleddaisy.org.